Good morning. Welcome to the Caravan and Motorhome Show 2025. I'm here with Reese from Charged e-bikes.
Yes, that's correct.
And we've got two of his own designed e-bikes here. So I'm going to hand you over to Reese just to explain about his bikes and how they come about.
Thank you. So back in 2022, we started looking at what we could do to bring something different to the market. Now, I've got an e-bike shop and I sell various different brands. When I was looking into it, I see all these different bikes come in with all different components. When I was actually looking into this, I decided that I would pick various different products from different bikes and put them all into one to make the best bike that I feel that I physically could. One thing I did not want to give up on was the in-frame battery. That was my must-have.
It just makes the look of the bike and just aesthetically more pleasing.
100%.
Yeah.
There are other bikes out there, but the frame is a bit thinner, but we wanted to have two different battery options on this. You can have a 375 watt hour or a 630 watt hour. With a 630 watt hour battery, you're looking on an average of about 80 miles. We also wanted to make sure that we had a coloured screen. We are working with the developers of the colour screen at the moment to work on an app. You can Bluetooth maps over so you can set a track that you want to do for the day. Also, when you switch it on, you've got the automatic lights as well. So as soon as it starts getting dark, the lights come on. You've got your 7-speed Shimano gearing. We've gone for MT400 Shimano brakes, which are actually a mountain bike brake. We've also gone for a 45 Newton meter Bafang motor. Also, we are one of the only companies, I think there's only 3 or 4 in the country, that can go to the DVSA and get a full throttle unlock.
And the other features that I particularly like, I know they are a optional extra on the website, so you can spec your colour, you can spec the battery size, but you can also spec whether it comes with a tracker and alarm.
Yes, that's correct.
Yeah.
We have to hide it in the frame somewhere. I can't tell you where, but it runs off of this battery. It also has its own battery. So if you take your battery out and you're not keeping your battery in your bike.
Yeah. So you're charging it in the house or?
Yeah, if you're charging it in the house or inside the motorhome, caravan, whatever, it still has got the power.
Bike Reese's lent me is actually in the garage of the motorhome at the minute.
Another safety feature that we've put on this bike, or a cool feature I should say, is when you switch it on, you can have a 4-digit PIN code customized for you. So only you will know the code for that bike.
So we've got 2 models here.
Yep.
So what's the difference between the 2 models? Obviously we've got the graphite grey and we've got the candy red.
Yeah, so the candy red here, this is classed as our city bike with the road tyres, with the full adjustable stem on here as well. So the Adventure has got the off-road tyres on it and a fixed solid stem, which when you're going along will give you that bit more on the suspension.
So again, I'll show you how neat and tidy it fits in the back of our motorhome in the garage. So if you want to order one of these, where can they get one from?
www.charge.bike. On there you can order it online.
Wheels hum beneath the city lights, charging forward through the darkest nights. A quiet storm on 2 sleek wheels, the pulse of progress the future feels. Ride the lightning, feel the sparks, through the winding trails and urban parks. Silent power, steel and fire, forever chasing dreams inspire. Glide like a shadow, swift and keen, through the electric maze of vivid dream. No road unturned, no hill too steep. On this charged machine, I take the lead.
Well, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Can I introduce you to the Charged F1 Hub e-bike? This is a UK legal e-bike. It's gone through the DVSA. It's got a certificate, which I'll show you on screen now, which makes it fully legal in the UK to use the throttle. Up to 15.5 miles an hour. 250 watt motor, but it's got 45 Newton meters of torque, so it's great for going up hills. It's foldable, really easy to fold, really compact, even the pedals fold. And I just want to show you how easy it is to fold, and once folded, how compact it actually is. But first thing I do is the pedals. So you just push the pedals in and they will fold. Do it on both sides, push in and lift up. Next thing I'll do is the handlebars. Now on the handlebars there's a little catch, you lift up, the safety catch, and then pull it down, and the handlebars will fold down to the side. The next thing I do is the seat. So again, you have a little catch on the seat for adjusting the height. Just undo that, put the seat down, and then lock it back in again to keep it there. And then the main one here, move the pedal out of the way so you can see there's a little catch here. Just pull the catch forward, your safety catch, pull that back, and then the bike will fold nice and neat, all into one little package. They're not plastic pedals, they're metal pedals, Shimano gears, great colour display. All in all, a fantastic e-bike. This is the pre-production model. His production models are now in and on the website, which I'll leave in the details down below. His first batch that he got out has already sold out, guys. This has been a phenomenal success to the market because it's quality made, quality built, fully UK legal. I can't stress that enough, it's fully UK legal. But it's got a secret, and the secret is security. So not only does the battery lock into the frame for security, but it's also got an onboard tracker, and it sets off an alarm. If it's moved, once activated, it'll set off an alarm on your phone to tell you your bike's being moved, so you can go out and check what's happening. Fully UK legal. It's gone through all the tests with the DVSA to have a fully legal throttle here in the UK. 250 watt rear hub motor, hence why it's called the F1 hub. It's got front suspension on the forks and rear suspension on the seats. So on this gravelly track that we're on today, it is super comfy. So the luggage rack on this pre-production model is 25 kilos maximum weight limit. On the production model, it's increased. It's a massive 35 kilo weight limit on the rack at the back. It's a Bafang motor, so top quality. Shimano gears, again top quality, foldable. Comes with 2 battery options, a 374 watt hour and a massive 630 watt hour, which is the one in this bike. And that's going to give you, depending on terrain and rider weight, up to 80 miles. Yes, 80 miles range. Now I do have to stress that this is a pre-production model. They are now in production, and they're in production in 4 different colours. There's a midnight black, there's a candy apple red, candy apple blue, and a metallic graphite grey colour, which is stunning.
Glide like a shadow, swift and keen, through the electric maze of vivid dream. No road unturned, no hill too steep. On this charged machine, I take the leap. Glide like a shadow, swift and keen, through the electric maze of vivid dream. Through the electric maze of vivid dream. No road unturned, no hill too steep. On this charged machine, I take the leap. Glide like a shadow, swift and keen, through the electric maze of vivid dream. No road unturned, no hill too steep. On this charged machine, I take the leap.